Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now the people them rush Holness right as them go walk around the parliament. I will see the people that cheer. We will see students that cheer for Mark Golding, seemingly as if him are the Prime Minister and the Prime Minister are the opposition leader. Is this the feeling of the people? Even the youth them seem to see it. Even the youth them seem to say Mark Golding are the next Prime Minister. Tell me what you think. I'm going to hear what I want. Look and listen.
On the question of the throne speech, my immediate impression of it is as follows. I think it was very low-key and disappointing insofar as a forward-looking document. It really didn't deliver anything, I would say, that was likely to excite any voters. It was really more trying to spin things that have already taken place in a particular light. But in terms of announcing new things, there was very little in it of note, of that would catch people's attention. The legislative agenda is weak, extremely weak, which is not surprising because the legislative performance of this government has been extremely weak. There was nothing in it to speak to how they plan to deal with the recession that Jamaica has experienced in the second half of 2024, with 2 consecutive quarters of negative growth, which is the definition of a recession. The food insecurity, which was announced recently as a result of the report of the UN's FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization, saying that over 55% of Jamaicans are experiencing moderate to severe food insecurity. Not enough food, not enough nutritious food, not eating sufficient meals per day, etc. The poverty numbers in Jamaica, we don't know where they are because they haven't been published since COVID. But when we see that report on food insecurity and the recession in the economy, we are very concerned about that. And the reality is that the economy is not doing well. They aren't speaking to how they intend to turn it around. They financed the budget for this fiscal year that's coming to a close by a one-off transaction, selling 12 years of future income to finance programs that will have no lasting impact on economic growth and development, but are purely feel-good programs with temporary effects. And that is very poor economic management. And we are very concerned because we're wondering how they intend to finance this coming year's budget without that money being available next time around. Because it was over $70 billion that was yielded from the sale of those future income from the Norman Manley Airport. So those are my comments on the throne speech.
What? Yeah. Paris. Right? I want to know where I live in another month.
No water, Paris. You want to remain ready.
We want to be heard. We want our voices to be heard. We need persons to know that we are the ones who will be affected, and they must come to us to find out if this is lucrative for us. We want hospital. We want cemetery. We want the courthouse. Come on now. Where are the amenities of Port Moore that you want to make it a parish? Until you come to us, it won't happen. Because we've been walking and marching every day.
Now the people are vexed and fed up with a whole heap of things. Some people don't like the way them talk to Bolt, even if I over the media. Obviously, people them vexed with the whole Portmore turn parish thing, and saying it's a waste of their money, waste of their time, waste of the government's efforts to make Jamaica a better Jamaica. If them really serious about making Jamaica a better Jamaica, is this the only idea where them have, and the people must say this is the only idea where the government have to make Jamaica a better Jamaica by making Portmore into the 5th parish? They must say them to give up from now. Nobody waste the country money keep the general election. Just hand over power to the opposition. Because the people want more innovative things than this. The people must say, if you're going to say the government are trying to make Jamaica a better place, this is not it. That is not it. Making Portmore a 5th parish, they must say that way that this and that, and the government can spend all the necessary money where them need, anywhere where them choose to spend it. A particular place don't need to be a parish for money spent there. So wait, the money not going to spend on Mobile because it's not a parish? So wait, the money not going to spend on Kingston? There'll be no money spending in Spanish Town. Like that, them really have to say. People must say them still not see the money I spend on the parish them neither. But they must not really make no sense. They're just trying to explain away the concerns of the people. I tell them, say, nah man, this is not for politics. This is for this or this is for that. This is for the better Jamaica, what they talk about. Both doesn't listen to them. They will just tell the things. So how Bolt say. Some people are saying if another Usain Bolt money, if another fed up with the people and fed up, if another decision to turn Portmore into the 15th parish, they must say one of them things that make the people decide not to vote for the Prime Minister. They must say at this point in time, they must say what the Prime Minister can do for convince Jamaicans. Say I'm the right person to lead the country forward. Because if this is what them call innovation, the people must say, yo, they really need to look again. Where the opposition leaders speak out. I said the thing they hear, the people must say, are the new chapter for Jamaica. You might wonder. With all the talk of Jamaica becoming a republic, and these are the new chapter what them are talk about. Tell me what you think if you listen to the entire speech. If you have seen clips on the media. Tell me what you think. Person speaking was speaking in place for the Governor General. So I think he might be the Deputy Governor General. I'm not sure. But even the North of Jamaica have a Deputy Governor General. I think he does the Governor General alone. But I guess just like when you have a Prime Minister, you have a Deputy one. Just like when you always have a leader, and, you know, a Deputy leader. I guess I want them type of situation. But tell me you feel. You feel like right now, based on the frustration we see, of course we see Parliament reopen and we see support there for the Prime Minister. There was support there for the Labour Party and for the Prime Minister. But what we can say is we see whole heap more support for the opposition. As a matter of fact, when we see Mark going out of Holness, it's almost like the youth were reacting to seeing the Prime Minister, not just the opposition leader. Remember once upon a time when the people never know who Mark Golding was? Where even if it was school challenge quiz and then picture forward up and them said name that politician, the youth them wouldn't readily recognize who him is. They show the level of popularity where Mark Golding have right now. Him walk out, people see him from in the car, him step up. The place are up in cheers. Body want shake him, man. Tell me if you feel like this a show say even the youth of Jamaica is seeing Mark Golding as the next Prime Minister. Well, maybe them not react the same as them did see the Prime Minister too. Maybe they did react the same when they did see the Prime Minister. When the clip we see a circulate on social media and Mark Golding you see. We are speak based upon what we see. But tell me what you think. Because some people are say this new findings from Bolt has definitely brought disgrace to the government. Plus with the tweet, they must say if Bolt did ask the government when they did invest, and Bolt say why they must try to shame him, they make it look no better. And Bolt was somebody who was a long time supporter of the government. Even in all fairness, he probably does support any party that was the government at the time when he have to do, but him and them did good. Surprised, no, them never speak up more for both. Some would say. Just some. But of course, talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel as a pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to check out the reason and join the discussion. And from the comment section we can continue reasoning. And sometimes I see don't have some different perspective and also some historical things that me myself never know. So as I say, talk to me in the comment section. Make sure you check out the comment section for yourself. And to the reason again, live, love and prosper. And also stay tuned.